Hi guys, how are you? This is day 31 Arigato. Yesterday I have taken a break. I didn't send a video day 31 yesterday. It was like Raksha Bandhan and we were working on a different projects yesterday, posture creation, video making. So a lot of things were in hand, and after dinner I thought I should take a break, so I didn't send any arigato video yesterday. So today is day 31 arigato. So I want to talk. I think I didn't put a title also because I want to talk to you guys before it's 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. So I want to talk today day 31 arigato from S Peopletainment. Failures, how to handle failures. और हमें बचपन से नहीं सिखाया जाता है फेलियर्स को कैसे हैंडल करनी है, राइट? वी सी फेलियर्स एज एन एलियन. फेलियर्स हमारे पास आनी नहीं चाहिए. सो वी थिंक लाइक दिस, वी आर ट्रेन टू थिंक लाइक दिस. हमारे पास फेलियर नहीं होनी चाहिए. इफ आई फेल इट्स एन इंसल्ट. इफ आई फेल इट्स लाइक बस खत्म, जिंदगी खत्म. ऐसे वाला फीलिंग्स हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है. बिकॉज इफ यू फेल इन स्कूल योर मार्क्स आर लेस, यू आर ट्रीटेड इन अ सच अ वे, तुम्हारी माँ बाप ने कुछ पाप कर दिया, राइट? सो हमारा ब्रॉटअप ऐसे हुई है. सो आफ्टर वी फेस द सोसाइटी वी आर अनएबल टू फेस द फेलियर्स, और वी डोंट नो how to utilize the failures or setbacks, or whatever the challenges come in our life. So this is what I want to address today. I am full of failures. Okay, I embarrassed my father and mother when I was in school. I didn't score good marks, but after college I started studying well because I understood and I liked the education in college. Then come out of the college, I started working in a very big companies. Fine, but before getting into very big companies, I was rejected many times. I was so embarrassed of myself. I born and brought up in Tamil Nadu. I came to Delhi to search for a job. I was rejected in 1 month, 15 interviews, just for one reason, saying I don't know how to speak English, और I have a mother tongue influence. MTI बोलते हैं ना, बहुत आसानी से बोल देते हैं MTI. So I was rejected for 15 to 16 companies, 15 to 20 companies I guess, and finally I got into a company called IBM. Okay, but I was so embarrassed myself when I got rejected from those companies, because I was not prepared for the failure at that point of time. Then after college, after work, and then we don't know how to deal with the office people and everything. So this is how the life goes on. Maybe it's my example, your example, or your life can be a different thing. So how I can utilize my failures, or when I can recognize my failures are good thing, my failures are very necessary. When I can realize, I can see the factor of the truth which the failure hide it, right? The factor of benefits which failure hide it. When you will identify the benefit of failures, when you have that gratitude mode, when you have this habit of approaching everything positively, everything vibrately, everything spiritually, right? So for that, if you keep on practicing meditation and being in gratitude mode, what you can do is you will be able to see behind the curtain of the failures. You will not be embarrassed like me once I was, like failures. You will see the good things behind the failures, and you will use as a stepping stone towards your success. Okay, and you will enjoy those failures and you will learn from it, and then you will move forward, correct? So this is what I want to convey today, because many people around me, they don't know how to handle failures. They don't know what is give up, what is quit. I tell you, giving up and quit is also a good thing. I'll put a video separately in my YouTube that I will talk 10 minutes of video. Maybe I can go live and talking about giving up and quitting smoking is good, right? Same like that, you quit something bad is also good in your life. I will talk about quitting. When to quit, I'll talk about that, okay, from my experiences. So today we are talking about identifying the good things behind the curtain of failures, right? Identifying फेलियर्स के अंदर कुछ अच्छी चीजें छुपा के रखे हैं ना, उसको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें, ये बाय लोग आपको मेडिटेशन करना ही पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये इनविजिबल चीजें आपके इंट्यूशन पे, आपके कॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे इट कैन कम आसानी से. Okay, be in gratitude mode, write affirmation every single day. You will see the changes in next 21 days. I've been doing this video 31st day. I don't know who is following me, who's not following me. If you would have followed me for last 15 days, you might have seen the changes. I'm getting a call from the people and they are saying my gratitude, one attitude of gratitude changing. Now पहले पीपल लोग मेरे को हेल्प नहीं करते थे पहले, अभी लोग मुझे हेल्प कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ही इज अप्लाइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड मोड इन हिज डेली लाइफ. अफर्मेशन लिखते हैं, राइट? आई डोंट नो हिंदी में अफर्मेशन के लिए क्या बोलेंगे और तमिल में अफर्मेशन के लिए क्या बोलेंगे. यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस वेरी सिंपल चीज, वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स दैट कैन चेंज योर लाइफ टू कम टू क्रॉस, टू फेस the failures. Not only the face the failures, embracing the failures. Do not embarrass of your failures, embrace your failures. That will be your stepping stone. Okay, why बड़े बड़े महान लोग बोल के रखे हुए हैं failures are your stepping stones. When you can see your failures as your stepping stones, अगर आपको stepping stone ही नहीं लग रहा है तो कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे? वो पहचाने के लिए आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड एफर्मेशंस एवरी डे, सिंगल डे, यू हैव टू करेक्ट योर हैबिट्स एंड डू मेडिटेशन टिल नेक्स्ट 21 days. Okay, so this is from Arigato 31 from S Peopletainment, and I have one more announcement is coming up. I'm waiting for the complete setup, and I will come up with, I'm launching a new logo for S Peopletainment. I'm launching a program for S Peopletainment which gonna help you guys maximum, many people it gonna help. That is what I am planning, that is what we all are working towards it. And if you're watching, if you're a videographer, if you're an expert in editing, I would require you on a 1-day internship if you're ready. I don't want any expert people. If you're very much expert, I don't need you. I need a people who are very immature, starting your career in videographer. I wish to work with you. We can talk offline. You can message me here in Insta. We can talk offline. If I like you, if you like me, we can work together. So please do not forget how to handle your failures, making those failures as a stepping stones only through meditation. Otherwise failures आएगा जाएगा, आपको पता ही भी नहीं होगा उसका फायदा क्या होता है. Okay, so take care and I'll see you tomorrow on next video of Arigato 32 from S Peopletainment. Peace out, please be safe. मास्क पहन लेना और अच्छे से खाना खा लेना, गर्म पानी पी लेना, so that you are healthy. Okay, take care and I'll see you tomorrow. And I want to say oh my god, so many people watched me today. I'm so surprised. Ranjit Ravindran, oh god, from Dubai. Arun, travel community promoter, join me, thank you so much. And then Sundar TS, thank you so much. Rishabh, Professor Mo, Karan, thank you so much. So guys, if you're watching me right now, if you are an immature video photographer, maybe I'll use your expertise. If you love to work with me, ping me, we can get to know each other, and then we might end up working with each other. Okay, thank you so much. Don't expect too much of pay. It's just a 1-day work and I'm doing for some charity purposes, so don't expect too much money. I will pay, but that's why I'm not expecting any expertise in videographing. but I'm expecting if you're starting your career in videography, please message me. I am welcoming you to work with me. Thank you so much and have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow.